What's up, you guys? This is Miss Dupe, and today we are going to be performing operations with numbers and scientific notation on your calculator. So you will need your calculator, a piece of paper, and a pencil, and let's get started. So our first example is this problem right here. So we have 3.4 times 10 to the 5th times 2.3 times 10 to the 3rd. So remember, whenever you see two groups of numbers in scientific notation with parentheses, this really means that we are multiplying these two numbers together. All right, so the first thing we are going to do in order to start performing operations for this problem is we're going to make sure our calculator is in Sci mode. Right now mine is not in Sci mode because I only have the DEG at the bottom. So in order to get it into Sci mode, you hit second DRG, get the cursor underneath Sci, and then hit enter. Now you'll have Sci and DEG at the bottom of your calculator at the same time. So now we're going to start typing in our problem that I showed you, which is 3.4 times 10 to the 5th times 2.3 times 10 to the 3rd. So we're going to type in our front number first. So we have 3.4 in here, and then we're going to start talking calculator language. So we have this special button on our calculator. Over top of the x to the -1, there's this button called EE, and that is going to represent the times 10 in our problem. So we're going to hit 3.4 and then second EE, and that is all times 10. Then right after E, you're going to type in 5 because our exponent is 5. So what we really have in our calculator right now with the calculator language is we have 3.4 E5. The E is the times 10, and 5 is our exponent there. So now we're going to type the rest into our calculator. So the rest that needs to be typed in our calculator is the times button, and then the second number, which is 2.3, and then for the times 10 we're going to hit second the EE button, and then our exponent is 3. So now we're going to press enter, and we will get our answer here, which is in scientific notation. So our answer is 7.82 times 10 to the 8th. So the next problem we're going to do is 5.24 times 10 to the 5th, and here our operation is plus 8.65 times 10 to the 6th power. So once again, we're in scientific notation mode, and we're going to start typing in the problem. So our front number is 5.24, and then we are going to press second E for our times 10, and then our exponent is 5. Now this problem is plus, so we're going to press the plus button and then type in our second number, so 8.65. Second E is times 10, and then our exponent is 6. So then we're going to press enter. Here's our answer here. It is 9.174 times 10 to the 6th. So our next problem is going to be 2.325 times 10 to the 4th. This big bar means divided by 3.1 times 10 to the 4th. So keep in mind, this problem is the same thing as seeing something like 2.325 times 10 to the 4th divided by 3.1 times 10 to the 4th. So division can be written in two different ways. All right, so now we're going to put it in our calculator. Once again, make sure you are in Sci mode and DEG mode still, and you should be as long as you didn't clear your memory. We are going to put our top number in first, so 2.325. Then we're going to do second E for the times 10, and our exponent is 4. Next, we are going to hit the divided by sign since we are dividing, and then we're going to type in the bottom number, which is 3.1, and then second e, which is our times 10, and our exponent is also 4. Press enter, and we get 7.5 times 10 to the negative first. So our very last problem is going to be the one operation that we haven't done yet, which is subtraction. So we are doing 9.6 times 10 to the 5th minus 3.7 times 10 to the 3rd. So in our calculator, we are going to type in 9.6 second e for the times 10, and our exponent is 5. And then we are going to hit the subtraction sign since this is subtraction. And the second number is 3.7, and then second e, and our exponent is 3. So we get 9.563 times 10 to the 5th. All right, so that is it, guys. So make sure you ask me or Miss Bofiche if you have any questions, and we will see you later. Have a great Friday.